Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz, and of course, DryerBuzzEats, and this is a video about our chicken and waffles from the best brunch ever, but all the buzz was about the sauce, all right? So the best brunch chicken started out with me marinating some chicken thighs, and then I fried them off in some vegetable oil. While that was browning, I was reducing my blueberries, you can see there in the forefront, and then, of course, I had a batch of lemonade. Once those blueberries reduced and my chicken was brown, I started my sauce. All right, now this is a not so secret sauce. It's basically made from some condiments from your fridge. It starts off with some butter and some brown sugar. Yep, bubbling brown sugar, to which I then put in some ketchup, about a cup of ketchup. And so you get that stirred. And let me tell you, now be careful because all of these ingredients have a vinegar base, so it's kind of strong. Followed that ketchup up with a little bit less than a cup, maybe a little less than half a cup of mustard. So you got brown sugar, ketchup, then mustard, and then, of course, I added in some buffalo sauce. You can use buffalo sauce or your favorite hot sauce based on the heat intensity that you can tolerate, okay? And then I got that stirring, and I'm turning it down right here, and just got that stirring and mixed well. I then, because it was a blueberry brunch, I took some of that blueberry syrup and added it. And you know what? I really wish I had added more because it was a unique flavor. I don't know. I'm going to try it again with a little bit more. But we put blueberries in everything because this was a blueberry brunch. All right, so once my chicken was nice and brown and my sauce was bubbling, I then just, took that chicken and dunked it in the sauce, gave each piece a beautiful coating of it. And let me tell you again, don't forget, now, the sauce has a vinegar base, so it's really strong. So watch yourself, all right? All right, so once I finished dunking my chicken, that went into a separate pan that I was going to actually put off into the oven because remember now, we were making chicken and waffles. So the chicken went into the oven, and then I started on my batch of waffles. The very simple waffle ingredients, I have that on the timeline as well. All right, and we did about 2 batches of chicken because, again, this was the best brunch ever. But, again, all the buzz was about this sauce. I'm telling you, it's so good. I think it was, I don't want to say finger licking because that's somebody else's, but it was delicious. All right, so once my chicken was ready, there's that oven cam. I let the chicken go in the oven, and so that the sauce could just cling to it. We then made some homemade waffles. Waffle recipe is out there as well. And I tell you, the best brunch ever. For more, follow DryerBuzzEats.